the best songs on the radio. This is my only favorite station.
Radio Bogunj.
एक बचपन का ज़माना था जिसमें खुशियों का खजाना था। चाहत चांद को पाने की थी, दिल तितली का दीवाना था। न सुबह की खबर थी, न शाम का ठिकाना था। थक कर आना स्कूल से, पर खेलने भी जाना था। माँ की वो कहानी थी, परियों का फसाना था। बारिश में कागज की नाव थी, पर मौसम सुहाना था। हर खेल में साथी थे, हर साथ निभाना। गम की जुबान न होती थी, ना जख्मों का पैमाना था। रोने की वजह न थी, ना हंसने का कोई बहाना था। क्यों हो गए हम इतने बड़े, इससे तो अच्छा वो बचपन वाला जमाना था।
Hello everyone, welcome back to your favorite Radio Bogunj. I know you all were eagerly waiting for our next episode. पर क्या करें? Actually हमारे सारे टीम members they all are very busy with their exams. So इस बार मैंने सोचा क्यों ना मैं ही आरजे कर लूँ। वैसे अब तक तो आपको पता चल ही गया होगा कि आज का स्पेशल प्रोग्राम हम किसे डेडिकेट करने जा रहे हैं। टू यू ऑल, एज टुडे इज चिल्ड्रंस डे एंड दिवाली ऑल्सो। As you all know that every year we are doing something new and something special to make your day most memorable. तो इस बार भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें सोची, बहुत सारा प्लानिंग किया कि हम ये करें, वो करें, क्या करें। तो at the end of the time we just thought कि you all are missing your school very much. तो क्यों ना एक स्कूल पिकनिक का प्लान किया जाए। एक्चुअली स्कूल पिकनिक में हम स्कूल से कहीं बाहर घूमने जाते थे। इस बार ये स्कूल पिकनिक है, हम कहीं बाहर से मतलब कहीं घर से हम लोग स्कूल में आएंगे। नो मतलब घर से स्कूल नहीं आना है, बट तो हम आपको घर पे बैठे बैठे स्कूल की विजिट करवाएंगे। इन दिस वीडियो वी आर गोइंग टू आस्क यू सम क्वेश्चंस जिसके आंसर आपको हमारे रेडियो वाले मेल आईडी पर भेजने होंगे और जिनके भी सही जवाब होंगे उन सब के नाम हम लोग हमारे आने वाले नेक्स्ट एपिसोड में बताएंगे। Are you ready for that? So here we go.
Children's Day. You know what? We are missing you a lot. I'm sitting all alone in this classroom feeling so bored. So let us all pray to God that this corona should go vanish away and you all come back to school. Missing you all. Come back soon. Love you all.
everyone, my dear children. Today's Children's Day. A day is dedicated to you. For me, it's also a day dedicated to love. I believe every child, every one of you brings more love into this world. In your shining faces, I see hope. I see a brighter tomorrow. So my heartfelt love to all of you. Once again, Happy Children's Day.
Happy Children's Day to all my dear students. On this special day, I would like to give you a short message on your life, that you are all supposed to focus on your goals. You are all supposed to influence others, right? Take it into practice positiveness from all those activities that you are doing, right? Thank you very much. God bless you all.
Students are my energy and happiness. In presence of my children, I am very much happy.
Happy Children's Day to you all. May the love and laughter always stay on your face.
Dear students, you cheer our spirits. So may you always believe in yourself and make all your dreams come true. Happy Children's Day!
Hi, Happy Children's Day. Good morning.
Wow, it was wonderful, beautiful it was, right? Okay, so as I told you before, there would be some questions, right? तो पहले मैं आपको कुछ चीज़ दिखाता हूँ, मस्त है, देखना. उसके अंदर मेरा क्वेश्चन है, ओके? Who is he? Yes, Mr. अमिताभ बच्चन, the greatest actor. इनका स्केच मुकेश सर ने बनाया है और ऐसे तो बहुत सारे सेलिब्रिटीज़ का बनाया है. श्री यशुदास जी, फेमस सिंगर, उन्होंने बहुत ही अच्छे अच्छे गाने गाए हैं. ये है राजेश खन्ना, बाबू गोसाई. नाउ माय क्वेश्चन इज, हु इज ही? आई नो दिस इज लिटिल बिट टफ क्वेश्चन, बट आपको फाइंड आउट करना है कि हु इज दिस फेमस सिंगर. रिसेंटली ही जस्ट पास्ड अवे and he also sung so many songs in हिंदी मूवीज़, और स्पेशली सलमान खान के मूवी में इनकी बहुत आवाज़ है. अब इससे ज़्यादा हिंट मैं नहीं दे सकता. Okay, so now we are at our most interesting part of our video. We are going to show you some clips in which your teacher has acted on some audio clips which are from our previous annual function. Okay, तो आपको ये बताना है कि कोई पर्टिकुलर सीन, देयर आर 4 सीन्स, तो कौन सा सीन कौन से साल का एनुअल फंक्शन का ऑडियो में से लिया गया है. ओके, ऑल द बेस्ट.
અલા હું થયું બગડી ગયું લાય વોચ કરી આલું ખમણ ઢોકળા ફાફડા જલેબી ઊંધિયું ભાખરી રોટલી ભાખરી.
अरे ओ ठगों की बाहुबली, ये क्या सब्जियां दी है? इसमें से तो कीड़े निकल रहे हैं, कीड़े. हाँ तो 20 रुपए की सब्जी में कीड़े ही तो निकलेंगे, ना कि सोना निकलेगा. ए चल सुन लगा अपना सुन लगा.
तेल है खुशबू वाला माथे पर जो भी डाले.
तेल है खुशबू वाला माथे पर जो भी डाले.
धीरे धीरे उगने लगे बाल होंगे नहीं टकले श्रीमान.
Hello student, how are you all? Hope all of you are fit and fine, keeping the good health. I wish you happy Children's Day. Now there is a quiz time. I am going to ask about a famous Indian personality by giving some hint, and you have to identify that personality. So when this famous personality of India was a young boy, he had stolen something from his house, but then in a guilt he had written a letter to his father. And by reading that letter, his father appreciated his honesty. In another incident, when during the school time there was an inspection time and he was not knowing some of the spelling, his teacher asked him to copy down from the neighboring boy, but he did not do so. So this was reflecting the virtue of honesty and integrity in this personality. This personality were highly inspired by Raja Harishchandra, especially the virtue of the truthfulness. And the name of this personality is one of the name of Lord Krishna. So discuss with your friend, family, parents and identify this personality.
My energy, my happiness,
my strength,
my world.
For me, you are precious gift.
My future Ramanujan, the reason behind my smile.
My strength,
My enthusiasm.
make me energized.
children are the reason of happiness. Thank you. Source of energy in my life. My future animator.
White hat.
Hello children, how are you all? A warm wish to everyone for Happy Children's Day. Children, we know that you have faced many challenges staying at home during this pandemic by attending virtual classes, and you all have given online exam, right? Now children, festive season is there, Diwali is coming. So you can enjoy with your family and friends, but maintain social distancing. Okay, we love you all and we wish you happy Diwali and happy New Year. Take care of yourself very nicely. You all are valuable and precious to all.
Hi dear children, we are all missing you a lot. I'll tell you a short story. Alauddin and his lamp is a wonderful example. If at all I get a lamp and I rub it and polish it, there will be an angel or a jinn which will come out. And if the angel asks me what is that you want, my only wish will be to bring you back to school. मैं यही चाहूँगा कि आप लोग सब आए, हमारी ग्राउंड प्लेग्राउंड आपके लिए इंतजार कर रहा है. We are missing you a lot. The classroom is missing you a lot. We want to see how naughty you are, what all you want to play pranks. I want you to see, I want your love. I want to see your smile. I want to see your enjoyment. And the music rooms, art rooms, craft rooms are waiting for you. And we hope and pray that you would really come and fill this campus like flowers in the garden. Thank you. Happy Children's Day.
So I hope you have enjoyed today's episode. For more, just stay tuned to Radio Bhaukunj. Happy Diwali, Happy Children's Day. Bye bye.